Hey Robo people! Today we're going to do a rundown of what Team 549 Chargers have been up to this season. Starting off with our design sub-team, we used our parametric model to fit the game rules for this year. They've created blueprints for the intake, indexer, shooter, and tested compression variables and launch angles. Manufacturing took all the blueprints from design to construct and weld the robot together. They've also been working with the CNC and lathe to create parts for the elevator. Electrical has taken the chassis from manufacturing and put all the electrical components on it so the drive team can start practicing with the robot. Programming has worked on creating autonomous code using pathfinding as well as improving training of the robot with a wireless protocol to make it much more efficient in a shorter amount of time. Drive team has been working on defensive driving practices using the old robot. We would also like to give a huge thank you to all our wonderful sponsors. We couldn't have done it without you. Thank you all for listening, and good luck to all other first teams. See you on the field!